Let me introduce myself. My name is Tri Arya Saputra Haryanto. I want to fulfill my final semester exam assessment from MEM Silvana Alhama SSM Home. Mention unit of hospital and their function. Medical unit. Surely the medical unit is the first unit in the terms of hospital service. When you come to hospital for treatment, then surely this is medical unit is the hospital. Service unit you will go to. This is medical unit is comprehensive of parts. First three is polygraphy unit, that is unit of the healthy care divided into section according to the domain of the patient disease, such as internal polyclinic, common polyclinic, dental polyclinic, skin polyclinic, and so on. Then three is the emergency room, then is the medical unit, then third is specialist in the patient what needed. Invention action. Accordingly, there are section of operation room, doctor rooms, clinic, laboratorium, medical warehouse, patient waiting rooms, radiology, rehabilitasi, pathology, and physiotherapy. One part of the medical unit that handle disease will hardly be possible without and sportive hospital management system. So serve it now, using it the treatment and management data in all sort of related matter in hospital service. Inpatient unit. In this patient unit, it relates to all the needed of the service of those treated at the hospital. This is patient unit consists of medical treatment, medication room, sleeping rooms, consultation rooms, nurse station, and party. All the parts help one another. The profit goods service the patient during they stay at the hospital. In the patient unit also needed the smart of management the data of the hospital patient as the inpatient is usually sorted according to the diagnosis, such as the patient from the womb in normal unit in the same hospital and the hospital. Hospital, therefore, there is a lot of data that also be properly and managed in this implied unit. Nursing unit. There are pharmacy-related nursing unit, medical record, nurse station, polyclinic care, and so on. The nursing unit is just as important as the two previous units were in the hospital, and often there are more nursing than doctor, since the nurse that is to assist and service patient than the hospital course of nursing. Before treating the doctor in the charge, patient will usually meet with the nurse for a basic body healthy check, such as blood tests. Administration unit. In addition to the immediate health concourse of the patient at on hospital, there will also be an administration active unit that cares for hospital administration on is along with hospital finance management, patient data, staff data, existing art, and so on. Within the administration unit, there is also great need for a SIMS, the management smart better hospital data, housekeeping, and technical. As a community healthcare center, serve hospital hygiene and efficiency are vital. The attention watch is the why the keeping house and technical unit can be ruled out as long as hospital service goes. The units of housekeeping and technical units consist of an ambulance, a public stronging unit, mechanical electrical space, laundry cleaning service, and engineering. Number two, mention the specialist doctor in hospital at less than internal medicine specialist, pediatric specialist, a nursing specialist, gynecologist, and gynecologist a neurologist, a dermatologist, THT specialist, ophthalmologist, psychiatry, mental health specialist, dentist. Number 3, mention the duties of the specialist doctor. The role of an internist is to monitor a condition carefully and when necessary. On the update regular treatment approach, the optimist system and management as disease develops, internists can work with other specialists as needed. Pediatry play a wide range of the roles checking and treatment of various and condition is even children and teenagers among them. Evaluates the growth and development of the child and that the association discord. Education method of the people, the proper safety, lifestyle and nursing. Responsible for child in motion monitor the condition of premature babies and provide needed treatment. Diagnosing specific illness and condition in the children, such as respiration infection, air infection, childhood, allergic skin infection, malnutrition, and cancer. Dealing with variety of conditions that affect children, including genetic disorder, physical injuries, infection disease, allergy, autoimmune disorder, nutrition problem, the concern in children, checking and treatment physical healthy problems or mental disorders such as growth disorder, depression, and anxiety. Neurology deal with neurological and neurological disorders, including spinal and peripheral nerve disorders, headache and migraine, seizures and epilepsy, tremor on shaking body, head injuries, liver, stroke, brain tumor, dementia as in Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease. Autoimmune disorder attack nerves such as the hemotrophy, later sclerosis, Logger's disease, and multiple sclerosis, brain infection like epilepsy, meningitis, and brain abscess. Spinal cord infection, dysplasia, perial neuropathy, neuron usually disorders like myasthenia gravis. Generally, obstetric-gynecology play a role in the treatment pregnant and fetus mother in determining and assessment children and in the training disease of disease in the female reproduction organs. But white medicine and white medical action such as surgery and histography and red. The job of surgeon is to treat lineal injury on other conditions that regular surgery of operation produce. What is the more a surgeon may also administer prescription and post of the treatment, including medicine. A skin and genital specialist is a doctor who focuses a variety of skin and genital health problems, but is men and women. The job of the dermatologist diagnosis and provide appropriate treatment according to the complaint you feel. And THT specialist is the one who specialist in the treatment alliance associate with nurse and treatment. In addition, disease specialist also handle a number of the disease, the injury in the head and neck. Ophthalmologist specialist in diagnosis, preventing and treating eye disease and vision disorder. Not only the ophthalmologist also has complete in profession performing various medical progression, including eye surgery. The duty in speech therapy mental health specialist is to diagnose and mentally patches and prevent most conditions. Then teach us about the habit of keeping your teeth and mouth clean. Check total dental gum and mouth loss condition according to complaint, giving drugs according to diagnosis and patients needed. Regard problem is the lead gums and mouth. Come join us at the UNPI because UNPI is accredited and Titan fees are affordable. Thank you.